Welcome to nTurm Engineers Limited. We manufacture work at height solutions like formwork, scaffolding, aerial work platforms, and other customized products. Today we will see how a double-width scaffold is assembled. Heavy-duty casters are used for all double-width scaffoldings. All types of bracings have snap-lock arrangements for perfect bonding with the H-frames. Stair ladder is used to access the consecutive levels of the double-width scaffolding. A resting platform is provided at the end of the ladder. Ladder support bracings are clamped between the two H-frames using screw clamp. Similarly, second level of the scaffolding is assembled with special bracings or set of two horizontal bracings. The primary objective of ladder bracing is to provide fall protection and support to the scaffolder using the stair ladder. A flipped trapdoor platform is used to access the top-level working platforms. Stabilizer assembly is assembled into the scaffolding using the screw clamp with the use of a wing nut. Likewise, all other stabilizers are attached along the cross-diagonal direction of the scaffolding. On the top level, guard rails, special bracings and a set of toe boards are assembled. Now, your double-width scaffolding with a working height of 6 meters is ready to use.